Hello friends, welcome to my channel Rinku Art. This is Rajesh and today in this video you will learn to draw a beautiful tree out of shapes. So without much ado, let's get started.
Hey, welcome everyone. You are watching the channel Rinku Art.
Here first draw a big square and then two small squares side by side. One small, another little bigger. So these are for the top part, and now draw a rectangle below the big square for trunk. At the bottom, add three small triangles. Roughly draw the branches. So now the construction of the tree, or you can say the guide, is all set. Time to draw the tree. So to do that, first I will shape my tree with semicircles on the bigger square and then the other two. After finalizing, I will erase the drawing very lightly so that I can see the guides. Now slowly I will put the dark lines. I'll add some grass and bush beside the tree. Now I will draw its branches. While finalizing the tree leaves or bushes, I am adding shadow to give depth. Now as I am quite happy with the shape, I'll erase the unwanted lines and darken the final lines. I am adding some small lines to enhance the tree like 3D. These lines are very small but very effective. On the bottom part, that is the trunk, I will add some texture to give it a look like wood. Here I am filling pencil shade to grass and bush. After completing this shadow, I felt to draw a moon with clouds. It's totally optional. Just to give it a scenery look, I did this. I am adding some light shadow to the tree with the tree shape. This is a basic tree drawing in which I didn't add more things. You all can draw this tree very easily. So give it a try and let me know how's your experience. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. And take care and bye bye.